Hello, good morning everyone. Today is 2024 May 23rd, which is Thursday. So we will starting with the disclaimers, and all this stock will be covered by today. So disclaimer, all the stock mentioned in this video is selling as a learning purposes. It's not buying selling call for the viewer subscriber. Let's starting with the overnight US markets. Overnight US market is dropping. Not so much. S&P dropped by 0.2%, Nasdaq dropped by 0.1%, Dow Jones 0.5% droppings. So we can see that Dow Jones futures fall as the target tumbles. Nvidia looms over stock markets, and so Nvidia tops 1,000 shares in afterward trading. So strong outlook. Stock split. So you can see you can buying after the split lah. I mean, if you like the Nvidia, so it will become more affordable to you. And nothing much right over there. So we can check on the chartings. First of all, we check on the Hang Seng Index, which I have been monitoring for the Hong Kong and China markets for quite some while ago. So it has been rallying more than 1 month after I calling for the potential buy back into mid of April. So it's already 1 month past. The all Hang Seng China market is rallying strong, more than 10% right over there. So over the past 2 trading days, it's now starting to pulling back for the Hang Seng Index. Okay, if you are talking about if you're trading for short term in the Hang Seng China market, yes, you can take some profit out. You can take some profit out if you are trading for short term. Yes, if you are investing for more longer duration, 5 years, maybe 10 years times, so you can take chance upon the pulling back. So since the Hang Seng Index is pulling back, you can check on the individual stocks how low it can go. So you can take advantage for the pulling backs right over there. So we check on some indexes. Maybe we're gonna check on the China's indexes first. So Shanghai Stocks Exchange. So it has been, I would say, it has been trading sideways for 2 weeks times. It's still on the healthy uptrending. So we can draw some uptrending line right over there. See. The trending still intact on the uptrending. Yes, you can see we can draw some line. It's now on the uptrending line right over there. So we can see the momentum coming in in February, and then it's sideways consolidation for 2 months time and managed to break out, and thereafter it has been consolidating sideways for 2 weeks plus. So it's still on a healthy uptrending. Now it's trending above the 50 days, 200 days moving average, or the moving average is looping upside. So it's pretty much healthy for China market at current stage. Same to the Hang Seng as well. So we check on maybe Alibaba. Yep. Alibaba, this one is listed in the Nasdaq. So it's pull back fiercely, over 4% dropping back on the Nasdaq market. So as I mentioned, it's going to pulling back, but if you are investing for long term, it provides you the opportunity to buy low. Okay, we check on the what they call Hong Kong listed Alibaba. So it's already three candlesticks island right over there, and the yesterday is pulling back, closing the gap in between the gap up for 4 days ago. So it's now potentially pulling back to $80 Hong Kong dollar, $80 right over there. So see whether it can manage to standing above $80 or not. I would say the bottom has been formed for the past 5 to 6 months. This is the trading box has been providing the cushions as a support right over there. So the 20-day moving average is sloping up, 50 days sloping up, and 200 days moving average is now sloping upside. You can see the trending right over there. So So I zoom out a little bit, so you can see the major sideways trending has been around happening around more than 2 years times. So it's pretty much healthy. The volume has been coming in for the past 1 year. So it's building up the base for the Alibaba in Hong Kong market. So you can take some chance to investing into Alibaba. So we can check on some other stock, maybe Tencent Holdings. This one is also strongly rally for the past 2 months times. It's already rallying for how many percent? Wow, this one is rallying for $100. $100 pretty much like 40%, right? Yeah, it's more than 40%. So the trend is very strong. So you can see the 20, 50, 200-day moving average is now sloping upside, and the healthy pulling back has been coming in for the past two trading days. So you can see this one is a fierce dropping, not so fierce, but drop by 2%. So if you are investing for long term, you can buy in on the pullback. So you can use Fibonacci, whatever's moving average to provide you the support level to buy in averagely. So not by one lump sum. Okay. So there are a lot of stocks as well in the China, which is very cheap, still very cheap at current stage. Li Ning, what the code? Li Ning companies. So okay, this one is leaning $20. Yes, it's very cheap at current stage. It's still very cheap at current stage. I would say you can investing into the very branding good stocks in the China and Hong Kong market at current stage. It's still very cheap. Okay, you ignore the rallying for the past 1 month time. Ignore it. So you can investing for more longer durations for the investing China markets, Hong Kong market as well. So we go back to the US market, Nasdaq. So we can see it's still on the high range level. It's not appearing a trend reversal yet. There's no reversal at current stage. It's still at the record high level. And the S&P also the same, above 5,300, and the Dow Jones slightly pulled back from the 40,000 level. Now it's 39,600 level. So it's still on the uptrending. There's no reversal signal at current stage. So we come back to the Malaysia market, KLCI. So last 2 days ago, it's pulled back 5 point, closing at 1622 level. The trending is still on the uptrending. So we can draw some line for the uptrending line right over here. So it's still on the uptrending. So I change some color right over here, so you can view it more easily. The orange color still on the uptrending. So all the moving average is looping upside, and we check by the stock pick by today. First one will be by M Bank, BM Green Tech. You can see the price action is still momentum, breaking the resistance, closing at 129 2 days ago with a volume 2.9 million share traded. Stop loss level given is 115 and the target is 140 and 145. I'm going to share the chartings for the stock picks in the WhatsApp channel, Telegram channels later on. You can check the link at the description level. Okay, so the next stock will be by M Plus Infotech. M Plus stock pick seems to be suitable for day trade or contour trading because the stop loss and the target is so tight. It's not suitable for everyone. I would say I'm not encouraging everyone to follow M Plus charting topics, because only if you are so free, you are retired, you are full-time trader or whatever, then you can applying M Plus stock picks trading plan. Else you don't follow it, because this one is too tight for the stop loss and the target level. You need to keep monitoring closely. Okay, so overnight closing is 855 and they mentioned buy above 855, and the stop loss level given is 84, target is 8 half and 90 cents. So for the past 2 days it's already above the 855. How would you suggesting buy above 855? Even I've been more than 10 years in this industry. I don't know how to read these things seriously, because I don't know what they are thinking. Buy above 855 means that you should buy above 86 cents, right? Something like that, above 86 cents. So but for the past 2 days it's already closing above 85.5. So you can check on the price right over there. So I mean for the past 3 days it already closed at 86 half. So technically it's already buy in, right? So you are still talking about buy above 855. I don't get it what you are trying to tell to the investor or traders. Okay, so anyhow, again their technical is monitoring for the breakout. It's already broken out for the past 2 days and you are calling for the buy above 855. So make sure you have your independent thinking before you stick to their plan. Okay, so the next stock will be SDS. SDS buy above 90 half, overnight closing 90 half, highest was 891, highest was 91. Stop loss level given at 89, target is 93 and 955. Yep, again same, this one is so tight for the stop loss and target. So the next stock pick would be by CGS Golden Ferros. So you can see the trending. I believe this one calling for the swing play and the breakout for the short term breakout range, sideways trending range. Last 2 days closing at 853 cents. Target stop loss level given is 455. So you can see that there are multiple lines right over here, like so meaning that there are two research house picking the same stock. So CGS will be one, another one will be another one. So I'll go through two trading plan together. So this one will be by CGS. Stop loss level is 455, which is the red line, and the target given would be the three blue line on top, 555, 605 and 655. Another research house picking also the same stock, and the stop loss level given is 44 cents, target is 64 half, followed by how many cents? 69 cent half, right? Should be 69 cent half. Yep. So you can have 5 target given and 2 stop loss, so you can find something that's suitable to you. Okay, anyhow, if you are trading for these stocks, I would suggesting you wait for the pullback. Wait for the pullback will be somewhere around 505 or 51 level to entry. Okay, so the next stock will be Tambun Indaland. So this one is on the healthy uptrending, so momentum filling in for the past 2 trading days, closing at 117. Stop loss level given is 104 and the target is 124 and 130 level. Okay, somewhere around here. So the next research house would be by Maybank Investment Bank, would be Wasco. So overnight you can see the trending still on the healthy uptrending, continuously breaking the resistance, closing at 155. Target given is 167 and 180. Stop loss is 143. Pretty much standard for the stop loss and target. Next would be EP Manufacturing, EPMB. So this one is pulling back on the downtrend, pulling back. This one is not happening for the reversal yet. There's no obvious reversal for this stock at this moment. Last 2 days ago closing at 7.0 half. Stop loss level given is 6.6 half. Target is 7.5 and 8.1 half level. So I would not suggesting to play for the no obvious reversal trending at this moment for the EPMB. The next stock will be FSBM. So FSBM also picking by 2 research houses. So I'll talk along for these 2 trading plan together. So you can see this is pretty much like a U-shaped curve right over there. Closing at 3.6 half. Stop loss level given would be 33 cents. Target is 4.05 and 4.5. Another trading plan would be 3.05 stop loss, and the target given is 4.45, followed by another target. What is the target right over here? Would be 4.9 half level. Okay, so you have 4 target and 2 stop loss level. Which one I would prefer? Either one also can. I would say either one is also fine. So the next research house will be by IHP Opstar. Opstar Berhad. So this one is newly listed stock. Last year it's been trading downtrend. Is starting to emerge to reversal for the late of April last month. The momentum coming in with a volume. So it's starting to pulling back for 2 weeks times. So closing at 143. This one ISP is calling for the breakout play. Pending breakout above 146, the purple line right over here. So you need to break for this level of 146, and then the stop loss level apply will be 135. Acceptable, and the target given is 156,166. And the next topic will be a Mulus. So the dimension breakout above 36 cents. Overnight closing at 3.6 half, already broken 3.6, meaning that you can buy in directly with a stop loss level 32 cents. 32 cents seems to be too large because it's more than 10% already, and target would be 40 cents and 46 cents. Okay. So the last research house would be by UOB CBIP. So this one pretty obvious is on the healthy uptrending, closing at 143. This one is playing for the swing and the bounce of the moving average 20 and 50 days. Closing at 143. Stop loss level is 133, acceptable. And the target given would be 159 and 164 level. Okay, so pretty much acceptable trading plan. So the next stop would be FSBM, already mentioned for these 2 stocks. So I believe that's all for today. Thank you very much and goodbye. Happy trading.